this is part 2. Quick look at the Hustler UGM magnetic mount antenna.
Okay, Brickyard 3478.
Yeah. You can turn off these other banks and just airband.
Flight level 3. Delta 404.
Yeah, we're getting into
Good morning, Baofeng 694, we choose climb band 1.5 for 5,000.
Intermod alley here.
694.
Bank 8. Intermod alley, here we go. Gotta go. Okay, we're in a parking deck now, and the thing is on the roof. So, let's see how that works. It doesn't work. Hasn't hit the inside of the parking deck yet, which is good. But as indicated in the previous video, these can be run with a Baofeng. You have to just standard Baofeng. All you need is an adapter. So we will demonstrate that very quickly here. So here's your standard UV-5R with a SMAF to BNC adapter. This goes right in like so. And then this goes like this. Let me just get out of the car and I'll demo that and be the end of this video for now. There it is, the UGM.